Hello, this is Bobby at Copal TV Repair, and this message is for our customer, or it's not going to be a customer, Scott Wolf, and everyone else that I will send towards this video as an illustration or explanation as to why. I've done many similar videos. This is why you require stuff that we require and why we don't repair boards that have been messed with and tampered with, repairs attempted, and so on and so forth. So what our 100% all of our listings say is that we don't want to work with boards that have been worked on or tampered with or chemically damaged, etc. I recently did a video about chemical damage, and today, give me just one more second because I'm searching for the listing here. Wolf, there is the listing, and what I'm going to find in that listing is the portion that says requirements for the board sent for service. The boards we receive must be physically intact, must not have been tampered with or serviced before. Because if there are a lot of problems induced by people that make the repair much more costlier, if at all possible. And I'm going to show you a few such things. First of all, obviously this board has been thermally processed, aka baked, because of the brown residue that you see all over the place. But if you look real close, what you will see is one transistor that is totally off base. That's because of heating and handling. And if you look a little bit more close, we'll find a bunch of stuff that is not only off, but missing. Now let me see where that was. In addition, yeah, here. Here. You see those two? They're missing. This one and that one. How many other ones there will be on the board that are bad or off, or maybe the processor will be totally splashed over and all the BGA or half the BGA soldered together. It doesn't really matter. Once it, oh, hold on. Big bunch of stuff missing here. Or at least it looks like it. It's hard to tell really. It may be just short. But anytime there is a board in that condition, we're not going to touch it. Someone, I'm not saying that is our customer, they may have sent the board elsewhere, but someone tried to bake that board, is my guess, because they saw a YouTube video of how somebody put their board in a oven and took it out, and voila, it works. Well, if it doesn't work for you, then it doesn't work for you. But we cannot undo what was done, or rather we might be able to, but it's going to cost at least 2, possibly 3 times more, and that is not something that is worth doing. So if we get a board that has been tampered with like that, we just write it off. In the past, it was justified to ask for more money. Right now, with the current TV prices, tariffs or no tariffs, just throw it out. This is no good. Either do it yourself or let the pros do it. The stuff that is in between costs more, is still less guaranteed, and generally, you don't want to do it. That is the bottom line. Hope you learned something new. Best of luck with your repairs.